Welcome to the Win series where I tell you tried and tested ways to upgrade yourself. In this video, we're going to talk about eating habits. Now, why eating habits? Because, of course, you want to do something new, you want to achieve your goals, you will need more energy, you will need sustainable energy. You don't want that spike and crash energy, okay? For that, I'm going to tell you 4 ways. Number one, do not skip your meals. Please, you will be shocked to learn how much of a difference uh, this can make. You know, just do not skip your meals. Have your breakfast, have your lunch, have your dinner, have some snacks in between, and you will notice instant difference. I don't have to speak more on this. Try it and you will know the difference. Second one is to reduce. You cannot completely eliminate something out of your diet that you want to. Suppose I eat a lot of ramen noodles, okay? I just had one before filming this video and I want to eliminate it, but I'm just not able to. So, what I have done is that I simply eat it less. I have a goal that I'm not going to eat it more than once a month. So, before it was once a week, now it's once a month. So, you see the difference, right? Try it. And the third one is to replace. Replace, the unhealthier ingredients with healthier alternatives. Like whenever I want to eat some chips and crisps and something crunchy, I go for fox nuts instead of chips because more salt and are not good for your health. So I go for fox nuts. Simple, nutritious alternative. And the third one is to record. Now, why record? Because once you start recording what you're actually eating, you will gain valuable insights. What you're eating more of, what you're eating less of. And maybe this week you didn't have enough fiber. And now you have this intention that you're going to eat more fiber next week. You will not have this kind of mindfulness or insight if you don't know what you eaten last weekend, how that's supposed to impact you. So please start recording. Record it in a small section in your journal, or just have a complete separate notebook for it, or just write it down on a paper and just look back at that paper at the end of the week. So 4 strategies: don't skip the meals, reduce, replace, and record. So see you next in day 3 video where I'll be talking about how to set goals, how to identify what your goals are, mainly that. Because setting goals is, I think everybody speaks about that, but I've not seen enough videos on YouTube that really talk about how to figure out what you want. I've really not seen any video on that, so I'm going to make a video on that. So stay tuned and subscribe if you like all this type of content. And I'm going to be posting Conjuring 3 vlog with my best friend. So let's do it. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and share.